All right, let's just jump right into this explainer. We're going to deconstruct exactly how the cold, completely silent reality of a space vacuum gets transformed into a hyper-optimized viral algorithmic hit. You know, as a veteran aerospace engineer, I can tell you firsthand that space is an absolutely ruthless environment. It is literally designed to kill you. But today, we're looking at something a little different. We're exploring the incredibly precise engineering required to actually market that danger. We're taking a look at Roscosmos Spacewalk 66, and we'll see exactly how raw, unfiltered space reality becomes an absolute masterclass in digital engagement.
Now, marketers use these primal, life-or-death stakes to instantly hook human psychology. I mean, when you hear a quote like that, you aren't just thinking about orbital mechanics, right? You're picturing absolute zero temperatures. You're imagining relying on just a few incredibly thin layers of engineered fabric, the suit's life support systems, to keep the absolute vacuum of space from literally boiling the fluids inside your body. It's wild. It is the ultimate survival scenario, and honestly, that sheer tension is the absolute bedrock of viral content.
So here's our strategic blueprint for this whole assembly line. We'll hit 1, the ultimate human stakes. 2, hooking the human psyche. 3, packaging for the algorithm. 4, the shorts multiplier effect. 5, educators as viral accelerators. And finally 6, the final viral payoff. Let's kick things off with section 1, the ultimate human stakes.
So, our source material here is an incredible 6-hour and 54-minute unedited broadcast. Now think about this. It takes literally thousands of hours of intense training just to prepare for this one event, yet the raw video currently sits at just over 110,000 views. As an engineer looking at this from a systems perspective, it's operating way below its maximum efficiency. The potential here is absolutely massive simply because of what's actually happening in the frame.
Because what we're talking about is essentially a high-stakes documentary playing out 250 miles above Earth. When you consider the mission specs, the physical and engineering challenges are just staggering. In a low-gravity environment, the basic physical mechanics of simply turning a wrench means you are fighting the 4 psi pressurization of your own suit with every single movement. It's exhausting. Plus, engineers had to calculate some incredibly complex thermal regulation just to prevent these cosmonauts from freezing in the shadows or boiling in the unfiltered sun. Remember, there's zero margin for error here. One single tear on a sharp edge means an instant loss of pressure and instant death. Moving right along to section 2, hooking the human psyche. Just think about the nearly died hook. This is a brilliant strategy that maximizes emotional resonance by really leaning into our primal interest in survival. And it works. It generates an elite 12 to 15% click-through rate over standard, authority-style titles. So why does this angle win every time? Simple. Dangerous space content naturally draws viewers in. Whether you're pitching to an aerospace professional or you're just trying to grab the attention of a high school student scrolling on their phone, framing this as a literal life-or-death survival scenario forces the brain to click. You just have to know what happens. Okay, section 3, packaging for the algorithm. A solid description formula acts exactly like a conversion engine. It takes that raw danger of space and translates it into a tightly structured narrative. You start off strong with that life and death hook, but then in the body, you actually deliver the real engineering challenges, stuff like delicate antenna inspections under extreme conditions. Then you validate the viewer's click with real mission credentials. You're proving to them, hey, this isn't science fiction. This is peak human performance happening in an environment that is actively trying to kill you.
But to ensure people actually find this amazing description, you need distinct hashtag categories to cast entirely different algorithmic nets. It's pretty clever. You hit the trending pages by using discovery hashtags, and then you capture classroom search queries using educational hashtags. What this does is build a long-tail audience. We're talking about people who will be watching your content for years to come.
Which brings us to section 4, the shorts multiplier effect. By recycling that long footage into 5 specific 60-second clips, creators can generate an incredible 4 to 8.5 million potential views. Just think about the training reveal angle for a second. You show that to perform basic maintenance in zero gravity, cosmonauts have to practice exact movements thousands of times underwater. Or take the fear hook, right? Showcasing that absolute zero margin for error. These high-stakes, bite-sized moments boost algorithmic reach exponentially, simply because we humans naturally want to share intense survival moments. All right, on to section 5, educators as viral accelerators. Now, positioning this high-stakes tension specifically for science teachers is an absolute masterstroke. Think about it. A high school physics teacher isn't just showing a viral clip to pass the time. They're using this footage as a really visceral science lesson. This framing perfectly fits right into classroom discussions about pressure, extreme temperature fluctuations, and vacuum survival. It gives an educator the perfect tool to explain exactly how suit components act as vital life support to prevent exposure, and how engineers painstakingly calculate thermal regulation for mission safety. It literally turns raw entertainment into a highly sought-after, evergreen curriculum resource. And finally, Section 6, the final viral payoff. The data proves the massive financial stakes of our blueprint. It really highlights how optimizing those views can realistically skyrocket your revenue from a conservative baseline of about $12,500 to an aggressive $77,000 payout. And that's just in year one. By tagging the educational value, harnessing that primal fear of space, and breaking down these engineering marvels into digestible, punchy shorts, you drastically multiply the overall value of your raw asset. So if you want these kinds of results, this is your exact step-by-step action plan to turn raw data into high-performing digital real estate. Pay special attention to Step 4, executing educational outreach within 1 week. Reaching out directly to science teachers and STEM platforms with this incredible physics resource, that is absolutely critical to cementing the content's evergreen status. You're giving them gold.
I'm going to leave you with this thought to ponder. Once you truly understand the viral mechanics behind human survival, and you figure out how to effectively translate these incredible engineering feats into compelling classroom stories, the algorithmic sky is truly the limit. So what raw footage do you have sitting around that's just waiting for the right hook? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, keep looking for those incredible stories hidden right there in the data.